Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be doing something a little bit different. Instead of one recipe, I'm going to show you two easy and quick recipes. The main ingredient of both of them are Oreos. One of them is an Oreo milkshake and the other is an eggless Oreo mug cake. These are really easy to make and don't require many ingredients. So without further ado, let's get cooking! We will start by making the Oreo milkshake. To make the milkshake, we will need 6 Oreos, 1 cup of milk, around 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, some chocolate syrup, which is optional, it is just for putting at the end, some whipped cream, which is also optional, and some crumbled or crushed Oreos. This is also optional and it is just for garnish. The first thing we will do is take a blender and add in the Oreos to it. So we will break each Oreo in half and add it in. And grind these until they become crumbs. Once the Oreos become crumbs, we will add in the milk and the vanilla ice cream. And then we will blend these together. This is what the milkshake should look like. Make sure that all of the ingredients are blended together. Then we will start pouring it into the glass, but before that, we can just decorate it with some chocolate syrup. This step is optional. And then you can pour it in. And then you can add on some whipped cream. As well as the crushed Oreos. To make your eggless Oreo mug cake, you will need 4 Oreos, 1 pinch of salt, 4.5 tablespoons of milk, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. The first thing we will do is take a blender and add in the Oreos. So we will half the Oreos, and grind them until they become crumbs. This is what the crumbs should look like. Then we will sift together the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then we will take a mug and add in the crumbled Oreos, and we'll also add in the dry ingredients. Then you add in the milk, the oil, and the sugar. And then you will mix these well together. And then you will microwave this for 1 minute. If your mug cake does not look like it's done yet, you can microwave it for another 15 seconds. This is what the mug cake should look like once it is fully cooked. I really hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you have any suggestions or want more recipes like this, tell me in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe for both of these recipes, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video!